Team members' roles. Puneet B., Model Tester. Ranjit R., Presentation Designer. RAJAVISVAESWARAN, Data Collector. Kirtana S., Model Trainer. Nitish Kumar P., Video Editor Tech Support. Ritika R., Content Presenter. Dyslexia is a learning disorder that makes reading, writing, and spelling difficult for children. Early identification of dyslexia is crucial, as it allows for timely intervention and tailored educational support. Without prompt recognition and appropriate assistance, children with dyslexia are at risk of falling behind academically, which can lead to low self-esteem, increased frustration, and long-term educational challenges. Therefore, there is a pressing need for better awareness and early screening tools to detect dyslexia in children to ensure they receive the help they need to succeed in school. Dyslexia is just a different way of thinking. From struggle to strength, early help matters. We propose an accessible machine learning model that analyzes children's handwriting samples to identify potential symptoms of dyslexia. The system detects visual and linguistic patterns such as letter reversals, spacing inconsistencies, and writing irregularities. Our model aims to empower parents, educators, and healthcare professionals with early, AI-assisted insights. In the future, we plan to extend this solution to analyze reading fluency and spelling patterns for a more comprehensive dyslexia assessment. High accuracy and performance. The most direct wow factor is the model's performance. Mentioning a high accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score demonstrates its effectiveness. The goal is to provide reliable and precise diagnostic tools, reducing the likelihood of false positives and negatives. Leveraging diverse data. An impressive model goes beyond simple data. Highlight the types of data you used, such as handwriting images, eye tracking data, or behavioral and cognitive assessments. The ability to analyze these complex, multimodal data points shows the model's sophistication. Choice of model architecture. The selection of your machine learning algorithm is a key point. Mentioning models like support vector machines (SVMs), random forests, or deep learning models like convolutional neural networks (CNNs) showcases your understanding of advanced techniques. For example, ACNN is excellent for analyzing patterns in images, making it a powerful choice for handwriting analysis. Data cleaning preparation. Tackled messy, real-world data to improve accuracy. Collaborative problem solving. Leveraged diverse team skills for innovative solutions. Technical skills. Gained hands-on experience with Python, milliliter models, and data visualization. Time management. Prioritized tasks effectively under tight deadlines. Communication. Presented complex insights clearly for diverse audiences. Adaptability. Pivoted strategies quickly based on results and feedback.